Snowball, the fluffy white cat, loved adventures with her family. One weekend, Snowball and her family visited a milkfish tourism factory in Tainan, famous for sustainable aquaculture practices. Upon arrival, they watched an animated film about the history of milkfish farming in Taiwan. It explained how generations of local farmers used eco-friendly methods to protect the environment. Curious, Snowball followed the family to the exhibition area, where delicious milkfish snacks were on display. Her little paws bounced with excitement. Determined to support sustainable farming, Snowball's family purchased various milkfish treats, savory milkfish sausages, cute cookie boxes, fluffy fish floss, and canned milkfish. These were gifts for their neighbors and friends. Snowball, can you help us calculate the total price? The little girl, Lily, asked cheerfully. Snowball pressed her paws on the calculator, adding 2 milkfish sausages, a box of fish floss, and 2 cookie boxes. $2,120, she announced proudly, as if counting the numbers made her taller. As the 2-day trip ended, Snowball happily delivered the treats to their neighbors. These milkfish were raised with care to protect the environment. Let's all support green farming together. Snowball meowed joyfully. And so, Snowball's adventure taught her the value of sustainability, leaving her heart full and her whiskers proud.